Hi, this is Sam from UnionWorks, the developers behind Automate Full Recharge, and this is just a quick video demonstration of order sequence GIFs and how it works. So when you get into Automate, you'll see order sequence GIF in the top menu, and it's pretty simple really. We're going to just start by clicking Add New. And so the first step we've got to do is define the trigger products or variants. So if you've used Automate before, you'll be familiar with triggers. If you haven't, then Automate uses a product or variant ID to decide if it needs to do something with that order. So in this case, you would define which subscriptions are available for this offer if you have multiple subscriptions. And when we receive a webhook, we'll look to see what product that customer's subscribed to. If it matches the triggers, we'll have a look down to see if you've got any order sequence GIFs set up, and if so, we will add if they qualify. So for the purpose of this, I've got one product I'm selling on my website which I've just called trigger product, so I'm going to select both the one I create and the one Recharge creates. I'm not going to bother with the prepaid for this. So we'll select them. That's as simple as that. That's done. So if you've got variants, you'll just pick from the variant picker. Then the next step is we're just going to define what order that customer gets the free gift. So the first time they place an order is going to be order sequence 1, and the second 2, 3, and so on. So for the purposes of this, I'm going to give a free gift to everyone on their second order. So you simply put the number in there, and then this button become available, and you can just search for what product or products you want to give out. So I'm just going to give away this free product here. And then you can also define the quantity. That's it. If you want to add more sequences, you can continue to add more. So maybe you want to give something on the 6th and so on and so forth. But for this example, I'm just going to do 1 and hit save. Okay, so now we've created our first order sequence rule. We're just going to place an order and just watch it in action. So just going to go into my site and quickly place an order. I'll fast forward this bit. Okay, so that order's all gone through now. So I'm just going to go back into Recharge and have a look at what's happened at my subscription. So you can see the status of my subscription now, and the next queued order's got a free product. You can see it just says one time. So Automate's added in a free product ahead of my next order, so that's all ready to go. And if we just scroll down into the notes, you'll see order sequence number's been added in as well. So when this order gets pushed back into Shopify, this will come through as Shopify order notes. So you'll see order sequence 2, there's the free product. So simple as that. We just have a quick look at the API history, and you'll see just here the order was placed around 7:59, and then a couple of minutes later Automate's added the note into the shipping address, which is this line, and then we've also added in the free product here, so a couple of minutes after the order was placed. So that's it, that's all good to go, ready for when my order renews in 30 days time, and that's it. So if you've got any questions or would like another demo or us to go through anything in a bit more detail, then just get in touch and we'll be happy to chat.